Hello everyone, welcome to Mayank Lawholic. In this video, we will be discussing UP APO paper of 2020. This is very important video. Please make sure that you have already liked, share and subscribed our channel. So let's get started from the question number 1. Which of the following is not correctly matched? Options are The Idea of History, R.G. Collingwood, Decline of the West, Karl Marx, What is History, E.H. Carr, A Study of History, A.G. Toynbee. Here it has been asked which of the following is not correctly matched. The option B, that is Decline of the West, Karl Marx, is not correctly matched. Decline of the West book is written by Oswald Spengler, and Karl Marx along with the Frederick Engels wrote the famous book The Communist Manifesto and Das Kapital. So it is very important to know about the Karl Marx also. Other options: The Idea of History, R.G. Collingwood, What is History, E.H. Carr, A Study of History, A.G. Toynbee is the correct match. Now let us proceed to question number 2. Krishnadeva Raya, a ruler of Vijayanagara, was related to which dynasty? Options are Sangam dynasty, Tuluva dynasty, Araividu dynasty, Saluva dynasty. Correct answer is Tuluva dynasty. Krishnadeva Raya was a medieval Indian emperor of the Vijayanagara Empire who reigned from 1509 to 1529. He was the third ruler of the Tuluva dynasty. Question number 3. Which of the following statement are correct? Akbar lifted jizya on Hindus in March 1565. Akbar lifted jizya on Hindus in March 1564. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. Correct answer is option B, that is 2 only. Jizya is a kind of tax that was given to Mughal administration. Question number 4. Who was the author of the book Thoughts on Pakistan? Correct answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the author of Thoughts on Pakistan. Now let us proceed to question number 5. Consider the following events and arrange them in a chronological order. Treaty of Allahabad, Treaty of Amritsar, Treaty of Salabai and Treaty of Mangalore. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. Correct answer is option C. That is, first we have Treaty of, first match here is Treaty of Allahabad. In relation to Treaty of Allahabad, we have to know that it in the aftermath of Battle of Buxar, the Treaty of Allahabad was signed. It was signed in 16 August 1765. So as per the chronological, this will come into the first number. This was signed between Shah Alam II and Robert Clive in Allahabad. Second treaty, according to the chronological order, was Treaty of Salabai. Treaty of Salabai was signed on 17 May 1782. Treaty of Salabai was the treaty of between Maratha and British. In 1784, Treaty of Mangalore was signed. Treaty of Mangalore was signed between Tipu Sultan and East India Company. And the last, Treaty of Amritsar. Treaty of Amritsar was signed on 1809. Treaty of Amritsar was signed between Metcalfe and Ranjit Singh. So again we will discuss the chronological order. Treaty of Allahabad. Treaty of Allahabad was signed on 1765, 16th August 1765. Treaty of Salabai on 17th May 1782. Treaty of Mangalore 11th March 1784. Treaty of Amritsar April 25, 1809. Question number 6. Who among the following was the second Satyagrahi of the individual Satyagraha in 1940? A. Vinoba Bhave, B. Mahatma Gandhi, C. Jawaharlal Nehru, D. Achyut Patwardhan. Correct answer is option C, that is Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru was the second Satyagrahi of the individual Satyagraha in 1942. Mahatma Gandhi initiated the individual Satyagraha to affirm the right of free speech. Mahatma Gandhi had chosen Acharya Vinoba Bhave as the first Satyagrahi, Nehru as second and Brahmadatta as the third. Third Satyagrahi is Brahmadatta. Now let us proceed to question number 7. Consider the following events and arrange these in chronological order. Mopla Rebellion, Tibhaga Movement, Bardoli Satyagraha and Champaran Satyagraha. We have to arrange them in chronological order. So here the correct answer will be option D, that is 4, 1st, 3rd and 2nd. Champaran Satyagraha occurred on 10th April 1917 and Mopla Rebellion held on 1921. Bardoli Satyagraha occurred on 1928 and Tibhaga movement occurred in 1946 to 1947. Tibhaga movement was the sharecroppers movement demanding 2/3 of the produce land for themselves and 1/3 for the landholders. Question number 8. Consider the following statements. Movement of food in the digestive system is involuntary. Heartbeat is under the control of will. Left part of the brain is concerned with the language. Right part of the brain is concerned with the appreciation of music. Of these statements, Only 1, 3 and 4 are correct. Only 1, 2 and 3 are correct. Only 2, 3 and 4 are correct. Only 1, 2, 3 and 4 are correct. Correct answer is option A. That is, first, movement of food in the digestive system is involuntary is correct. 3, left part of the brain is concerned with the language is correct. 4th, right part of the brain is concerned with the appreciation of music is correct. Question number 9. Which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? Enzyme, pepsin, vitamin, biotin, polymer, RNA, hormone, cholesterol. So here the D pair, that is hormone, cholesterol, is not correctly matched. Other options, enzyme, pepsin, vitamin, biotin and polymer RNA are the correct pairs. Now let us see the question number 10. Which of the following is our clean and green fuel? Options are petrol, diesel, CNG, biofuel. Select the correct answer using the quotes given below. Here the correct answers are 3 and 4, that is CNG and biofuel. CNG and biofuel comes under the category of clean and green fuel. Question number 11. 260 watts bulb and 240 watts fan are kept on for 6 hours a day. If the electricity charges are rupees 5 per unit, the electricity bill for 30 days will be rupees. Correct answer is 180. Question number 12. The term Mission Indradhanush 2.0 is September 2019 to December 2019, December 2019 to March 2020, November 2019 to February 2020, October 2019 to January 2020. Correct answer is option B, that is December 2019 to March 2020. Question number 13. In December 2019, Indian Air Force announced to retire which of the following fighter aircraft from service with effect from 27 December 2019? Correct answer is MiG-27. Occasionally at that point of time there were many accidents and casualties were happened, so MiG-27 was announced to be retired. Question number 14. The following statements are related to Surena 4 humanoid robot. Option first, it is built by University of Tehran. It can detect 100 voice commands. It can recognize 100 different objects. It is able to walk 1 kilometer in 1 hour. Correct statements are 1, 2 and 3. That is, it is built by the University of Tehran, it can detect 100 voice commands and it can recognize 100 different objects. And statement 4 is not related to Surena 4 humanoid robot. Question number 15. Who has been named best footballer in the world, receiving the Ballon d'Or award the 6th time on the 2nd December 2019? Correct answer is Lionel Messi. Messi is the correct answer. Question number 16. Miss Universe 2019, Zozibini Tunzi belongs to which country? Correct answer is South Africa. In 2021, Harnaz Sandhu from India is now Miss Universe at present. Question number 17. Which of the following is an exception of the sources of income of panchayats in UP? Options are animal tax, local trade tax, building tax, none of the above. Correct answer is none of the above. Question number 18. Which of the following types of equalities have been attempted by the constitution makers through Articles 17 and 18? Options are economic equality, social equality, political equality, religious equality. Correct answer is social equality. Question number 19. Which of the following coast is known as the Mosquito Coast? Options are coastal area of Honduras and Nicaragua along Caribbean Sea, coastal area of Nicaragua along Pacific Ocean. Option C, coastal area of Honduras along Pacific Ocean. Option D, coastal area of Honduras and Nicaragua along Pacific Ocean. Correct answer is option A, that is coastal area of Honduras and Nicaragua along Caribbean Sea is known as Mosquito Coast. Question number 20. Which was the sex ratio of India as per 2011 census? 946 females per 1000 males, 945 females per 1000 males, 940 females per 1000 males, 933 females per 1000 males. Correct answer is option C, that is 940 females per 1000 males. Question number 21. List 1 and list 2. Board and headquarters. We have to match the boards and headquarters. So Coffee Board of India is in Bengaluru. Tobacco Board is in Guntur. National Fisheries Development Board is in Hyderabad. National Jute Board is in Kolkata. So according to the codes, correct answer will be option B. Once again, I will discuss. Coffee Board of India is in Bengaluru, Tobacco Board is in Guntur, National Fisheries Development Board is in Hyderabad and National Jute Board is in Kolkata. Question number 22. Which of the following visa was brought with an objective to boost investment by the foreign national in US companies? A. J1, B. H3, C. EB5, D. HB1. Correct answer is EB5. Which one of the following is not correct matched? Options are country and capital, Slovenia, Vaduz, Austria, Vienna, Slovakia, Bratislava, Croatia, Zagreb. Here the incorrect match, that is Slovenia. Capital of Slovenia is Ljubljana. It has been written as, this is the capital of Slovenia. It has been pronounced as Ljubljana. Question number 24. Which one of the following is not correct matched? States and population density as per 2011 census. Bihar 1106, Uttar Pradesh 829, Tamil Nadu 555, Kerala 760. Here the incorrect match has been asked and the correct answer is option D, that is Kerala. Others pairs are the correctly matched. Population density of Bihar is 1106, Uttar Pradesh is 829 and Tamil Nadu is 555. Question number 25. Which of the following is not correctly matched? Hathigumpa, Odisha, Ellora, Maharashtra, Bagh, Madhya Pradesh, Nagarjun Pahadi, West Bengal. Option D, this is not the correct match. Other options, that is Hathigumpa is in Odisha, Ellora is in Maharashtra and Bagh is in Madhya Pradesh.